Hey there! For today's activity, we'll be working on shapes together. Let's try rhombuses. You'll need colors. How many rhombuses did you draw? Let's use a black marker to count and write how many. 1, 2, 3. We traced 3 rhombuses. Now we're all done with rhombuses. That was so much fun. Thank you for trying this activity with me. Join me next time for stars.